Good morning, students. Today we shall see synchronous impedance method that is done on a three-phase alternator. You can see here these are the nameplate details. Okay, first of all, that is DC motor nameplate details. Okay, you can see here the nameplate details. This is a DC motor which is coupled to an alternator. Okay, the alternator rated current is 4.2. You can see here 4.2 amps. Here if you see, this is our machine. Okay, this is DC motor which is giving the initiation to a alternator. The alternator other name is synchronous generator. The alternator other name is synchronous generator. It is not a self-starting machine. So we are making this motor being coupled mechanically and we are owning alternator. So coming to the experiment, we are conducting an open circuit and a short circuit test on a three-phase alternator. So what happens here, the supply taken is from DC supply. Okay, so only we are using the DC supply machine and we are giving the machine to be a rated speed. So for bringing a machine to a rated speed, I am keeping the field rheostat to it adjust and make the speed to be rated speed. Then we will make this circuit of the generator which is coupled to the motor is made on. Before going to on that one, we will be adjusting this rheostat to maintain the voltage corresponding armature. Between this voltage and armature current for a generator are measured by varying this rheostat. So coming to the circuit diagram, if you see here, the circuit diagram is being considering the input, that is DC supply is given and the motor is made on and the motor is running, is being coupled to the alternator. Now what happens, the generator or a synchronous generator or an alternator works on and it is being excited by the other thing, that is this rheostat, and we measure the voltage, corresponding voltage and armature current, voltmeter and armature current. Now what we will do is, that is open circuit test. Now we just short this with a 3 TPST, that is tripole single throw switch. This is tripole single pole switch. This switch is made on this. Till now we are conducting open circuit test. The switch is in open condition, but when we do the short circuit test, we have to close this switch, and after closing that switch we will have the short circuit test is to be conducted. We have seen in the nameplate details, you can see there the current here, it is 4.2 amperes. So when we close that switch, we have to adjust that current to the 4.2 amperes and we have to take a single reading. Okay, that is how much of the field current is being present whenever we give rated current. So those two readings we have to obtain, and then remaining calculations we have to do for getting the efficiency and also regulation of the machine. Okay, this is called regulation. So this test is called as regulation of an three-phase synchronous alternator done by synchronous impedance method. So here the impedance you are all familiar, right? Impedance is nothing but Z. It is the relationship between the voltage and current. Okay, in AC systems. Okay, dear students, we shall start the experiment. See, the machine is made start with a DPST. Okay, now we have to adjust the field rheostat to obtain speed, that is rated speed. Okay, Okay. Now, after adjusting the rated speed, now we have to take the reading of these two, that is machineries, that is first of all voltage and the current across the generator. Okay, we have to measure the voltage and the current across the generator. You can see here, as we have opened the switch is in open condition, the rated current is not being adjusted, it is reduced to 0. Okay, you can see here 0. So you can see we have to note these two readings by adjusting this rheostat. Okay students. Okay, first reading you can see OC test readings. Okay, here it is being connected to 600 volts. Here it is being connected to 600 volts. Okay, this is 300 and this is 600. So the scale is about 300. So whatever the reading we have got, that must be multiplied into 2. So if you see here, it is 110, 112. Okay, starting reading. Okay, voltage and current, open circuit voltage, that is 112 into 2. And here also, if you see, this is 1 and this is 2. We have given connection to 2. So whatever the reading here we got, that must be multiplied into 2. If you see here, this is 0.08 or 9. Okay, 0.09 into 2. This is first reading. Now next reading, we have to adjust this rheostat. Dear students, we have to see this experiment. This is important for us. So we have to adjust according to this voltage and current. Okay, I think the voltage has been reached to 120. So 120 into 2, and if you see the current, that is 0.1 into 2. Okay, this is the second reading. Now the third reading, I am adjusting again the rheostat. Okay, see the readings. Okay, that is around 130, right? So 130 into 2, and current you can see 0.12, I think. Okay, 0.12 into 2. Okay, similarly we can move here. Now I am going to move this to 140. Okay, 140. Okay, the 140 into 2, and now the other reading is 0.1, I think it is 4, right, into 2. Okay, next one we will be adjusting somewhat more. Okay, why? Because we have to vary until 415 volts. So I have gone directly to 160, where 160 is the other reading. 160 into 2, and you can see here 0.16 into 2. Okay, next one, if you take another reading, that is 180. Okay, 180 into 2. Okay, 180 into 2, the reading is 0.18 into 2. Now next reading is, if you see here, I have gone to 190. Okay, so for 190 into 2, the reading is 0.24 into 2. Now next, if we gone to 200, okay, that's it. Okay, 415 volts, right? So I have kept 200. Okay, this might be the last reading. 200 into 2, the readings we got here is 0.26 into 2. Okay students, this is now we can bring back this to normal position. Okay, this is about the open circuit test. Now what shall we do is, we shall make the switch to be closed for conducting AC test. Okay, you can see here, present it is 0. When we close this switch, okay, when we close this switch, you can see that deflection is nothing but it has some reading. Now we have to adjust the rheostat to make this current to a rated current, that is 4.2. Okay, I am adjusting the rheostat. You can see students, up to 4.2. Okay, now the current reading here we have to SC test, we have to write here 4.2 amps, and the field current here is 0.16. Okay, it is between 6 and 7. Okay, I will write 0.17 into 2. Okay students, this is the reading about the SC test. Okay, now we have to bring this rheostat back to its original position. Okay, and then we have to release the switch. Okay, now we have to make this rheostat back to its original position, making it to normal speed, and then we have to switch off the machine. Okay, the 3-point starter will come to its original position. Okay students, this is about the regulation of an 3-phase alternator by synchronous impedance method. Okay, the calculations will be explained in your video part. Okay, thank you.